Hello everyone and welcome back to our Yokogawa DCS training series, and today we continue our lesson on sequential function chart, and today our topic is the sequential table method on sequential functional chart. And let's start our system view. And my friends, in today's lesson, we will talk about the sequence table one shot and what it means, and you must should know one important sorry. A step described using one shot cannot be interrupted during the execution, neither by an interrupt signal nor by changing the block status. In other words, one short step starts executing, the system must completely all action inside this step before moving to another step, to another state or step. And firstly, let's open our FCS and switch and open our common switch builder, and we must add 3 in tag in 1, in 1, in 2, and in 3, and also 3 out tag, out 1, out 2, and out. Let's save it. Close this one. And now let's open our functional block number 6. And here we add 2 ST16 block. Let's relocate this one and this one here, and also this one here, and this one here. And let's add our blocks. Functional block. Okay, we'll write it down ST16. And let's give it name matrix 1. And matrix. And my friends, let's open matrix 1 in details. Open this one and this one, and here, my friends, firstly we set the condition in 1, and they let's this one, and date is on, and this our condition column, and we in a row we set our condition in2.pv also on, and in3.pv on, and our action side. And in our action side, we must set our out1.pv. And here we let's use L for low and out 2.pv also L, and out 3.pv also L, and after all our steps executed, we convert our matrix 1, or we make some condition for it, not to manual. And here we must set our steps. It's action 1. The next one is action 2 and action 3. And here you write if our in1 PV is on, yes, and our in2 PV is not on, and in3 PV also not on. What we need to do, we will activate our out1 PV and not active our out2 and out3, and we do nothing for our matrix mode. And the next step is known also for example, if our in2 PV, let's take it for yes, and this for no. And here let's switch the place of this one and out1 and out2. Here we write no, here yes, and here no. And for last one, yes, we let's use the no, and yes, and here let's use the same no, and yes, and last step, let's change our mode to manual, and yes, here. And here, my friends, we write our step which will be done after our general step is executed. Here we write that A action 2, and here after action 2 we must execute action 3, and here we must execute action 1. Actually, I'm not sure, but let's try it. Let's try it together. And now let's update. Let's close this one and save. And now we have no any errors or messages. And that's all for today, my friends. We also start the course about the structured text. We plan to start the course on TIA portal, but we decided to start firstly the structured text, and after that we start the TIA portal courses. Also, we will include the course about OPC and OPC UI. And my friends, I wish you all the best, and I wish you good health. Subscribe to our channel, and if you need to practice your knowledge, you must visit our webpage asco.az and request the wheel or mushroom for your trainings. And that's all for this day, my friends. Subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed the video, please give the like for our videos. And my friends, take care, stay safe, and see you in the next lesson.